Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in Sydney, Australia from YouTube page and sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, business support officer required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Business support officer required in Sydney. About the role, you will report to the accounts receivable manager and be an integral part of a rates unit that sits within the chief finance officer. The main responsibilities in this role include processing all rates changing of address, maintaining information in accordance to NAR, name and address, standards and across modules as required, maintain all changes to the debtors and rate payers information in a timely and effective manner to ensure correct service of the invoices and notices, ensuring sundry debtor invoices, credit notes and adjustment are raised in accordance with council policies and procedure, recover outstanding debits and rates in accordance with council policies and procedure, and carry out the debtor accounts reconciliations. Skills and experience: high level of computer literacy and experience with a high volume data entry with a proven track record of accuracy and attention to detail. Basic Microsoft Excel knowledge would be advantageous. Highly effective interpersonal skills including oral and written communication skills and the ability to communicate with a diverse range of customers at all levels. Demonstrated ability to prioritize workloads to meet competent depends experience in debit collection, highly developed teamwork and customer service skills. Benefits: work-life balance. The City of Sydney recognizes flexible working arrangements can help employees balance the changing demands of work and personal life. Option to work 19-day month work variable span of hours between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. Family friendly health and well-being. This role will require a national criminal history check and pre-employment health declaration. The City of Sydney is considering mandatory vaccination for all employees. If introduced, the successful applicant for this position will require COVID vaccination. Application must be made online via City website 11:59 p.m. Monday 29th of November. For further information, contact Amit Anand, Rates and Receivable Manager on this number. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, business support officer required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience and relevant subject graduation, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply and contact this number. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily ask. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more job related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job updates, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.